Hello and welcome back to the pet room. Unfortunately, my keyboard did not exactly perform as I had hoped. So I'm going to do a little of this, but this will not help the what's going on. But it should blow some dust out and stuff. And that's never a bad thing. Well, it's running out of steam. That's okay. I'm not going to crank it up now. It's loud. Oh. Alright, so before I embark upon taking this all apart again, first of all, I did find that the shift lock key is squirrely. Here is the shift lock key, but this is not bad. It's the innards. When they go down, they don't want to come up. They're supposed to spring up. They don't. So that is another issue to deal with. I'm going to turn this on. And up it will come. So, I'm going to make a list. I'm going to start at the top. And the add key does not work. The exclamation point sporadically. Double quote. No. Number sign. No. Dollar sign. That's pretty good. Percent. Sporadic. Single quote. That's good. And is okay. Slash or backslash. No. Quote. Not quote. Bracket. No. Other bracket. No. Arrow. Well, it put one up, but I would say it's not good. Square bracket. Sporadic. Other square bracket. No, and you know what? I'm going to go back to the exclamation again. Because one came up. One. I'm going to put that in the top. I'm going to scratch that out because it was sporadic is better than one. Okay, so Q. I guess that's okay. W. No. E. It's pretty good. R. Is not. T. Is good. Y. Is sporadic. Now this is not going to... U. Oh, U works very well. U. I. Sporadic. O. Nothing. P. Nothing. This arrow. Nothing. Greater than, less than. Greater than, less than. Nope. Okay. A. No. S. No. D. Well, after I hit it a while, I'm going to still put that as sporadic. It took a little to get it going. F is dead. G is good. H is dead. J. Well, it took a little bit to. I'll put it as sporadic. K is good. L seems good. Colon dead. Run stop. I don't know. Oh, it sticks. Great. Return. Sporadic. Oh, does the shift key work? No. Shift L. Let's check the shift on the right. It's okay. Shift. Right. Where were we? Okay, so we're down to the Z. No. X. I hit it a whole bunch. I got one. C. Sporadic. B. Seems to be okay. B. Sporadic. N is good. M is good. Comma. Nothing. Semicolon. Nothing. Question mark. Nothing. Okay, now that shift works. All right, we'll start at the bottom of the numbers. 0 is lovely. 1 is lovely. Period is lovely. The minus sign is lovely. Equals. Well, it comes up with very little. Plus. Sporadic. 3. That's good. 2. Good. Well, I think I already did one. I did one. 4. 4. 5. Pretty bad. 7. Nothing. 8. Nothing. 9. Nothing. The asterisk. Nothing. I think we did the plus already. Plus was sporadic. Slash. Nope. We did 9. Okay, to delete. Nope. Cursor. Nope. Cursor down. Nope. Home. So, there are not a lot of keys that it went well on. Now, you know, it's funny as I look at this stuff here, it is rubbing alcohol. This may not be what I should be using on this because there's more stuff in here, I think, than what I thought. And this is funny, I'm sure I had something else. To relieve directions, non-medical ingredients. 95% ethanol. Apply full strength to affected area and rub in. May be diluted with 2 or 3 parts water. If desired, a cool, soothing, and refreshing lotion. An antiseptic. It may be that I should look and see if I have something else, or maybe I should go get something else, because certainly that was a lot of effort to end up with not many keys that are working. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 20, 21, 22 keys are working well. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 are sporadic, and all the rest are pretty dead. Now, there is another thing that I really want to try. There is. Perhaps, though, because it involves, again, taking another keyboard out of another machine. Because you see, I'm still, well, I guess what I really need to do, I'll put this keyboard, which I already did, and it was dead on another machine. What I really want to check is another keyboard that is working on this machine just to see if there's anything that's the same, because there still is a possibility of one of the chips being a little squirrely. But I don't think so. But I don't know. But this is why we troubleshoot and try and find out what is what. So we know. Oh, hang on, spacebar. Nope. It too. Space. Okay. So it too is not good. Not good at all. There. We'll get another syntax error up on the screen. All right. So I think I need to, because I don't think I can reach the keyboard in. I wonder though, if I had a pet and it was sitting about there, would it reach? Maybe I'll try that first, because it's a lot of screws. Anyway, find the answers to the questions and then see what the next questions are. So I'm going to turn this off. Now that was funny. Underneath, I wish I hadn't quite turned that off. Underneath the ready sign, I saw something else strange. Remember, this machine went into lowercase mode earlier somehow. I am perplexed. Anyway, I think I will put this over with the parts. I will move this aside. And I will do a little shuffling, get another pet up here, see if there's possibly any way that I can reach over without having to take it out. And I'll also test the keyboard on that machine to make sure that I know that all the keys are happy. So stay tuned. The saga continues. Bye for now.